Have you ever found an old family photo that's perfect, except it's covered in scratches, faded, or completely blurry? Today we're going to perform some digital magic. I'm going to show you how to use Google's latest free AI tools to bring your most cherished memories back to life as if they were taken yesterday. First, we need a blueprint for the AI. Head over to Google Gemini. Instead of just guessing what to type, ask Gemini to write the prompt for you. Type, "Write me a high-detail prompt to restore, retouch, and colorize a heavily damaged old photo." Gemini will give you a few options. Copy the one that best fits your photo's condition. Now let's head to Google Labs and open the Whisk tool. This is where the heavy lifting happens. Click Enter Tool and look for the Sequence section on the left. This is where we'll upload our image. Upload your photo here. Pro tip: use personal photos. AI safety filters sometimes block famous historical figures. Once it's uploaded, paste that prompt we got from Gemini into the box. Set your aspect ratio. I usually go with 16:9 for high-res displays, and make sure the Nano Banana model is selected. Hit Generate. Whisk usually gives you two variations. Look closely at the details. Sometimes one handles skin tones better, while the other is sharper on backgrounds. If the color feels off, you can go back to Gemini, get a color enhancement prompt, and run the restored image through one more time for that extra pop. Once you're happy, hit Save. You've just saved a piece of history. You can see here how the AI filled in the cracks and even guessed the original colors of the clothing perfectly. It's never been easier or faster to preserve your history for free. If this helped you save a memory, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI workflows. Which photo are you restoring first? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Want powerful editing tools and flawless AI voiceovers for your videos? Click the link in the description to get started today.